Guys, we're gonna step in the mall for a little while. Okay, guys. Well, get that scrap. I want to say that, guys, I used to shop at Payless, get some cheap sneakers, and they would last me 3 months. And so I'd always have to buy a two pair and use my AAA membership card to get a discount. And it'd be like, $50 or something like that. So you could buy a pair of socks and still get a discount, but the shoes only lasted 3 months, or 3 months shoes. For me, they're only 3 months shoes because they end up with holes or the shoes start falling apart. So when Payless closed, it was kind of a blessing because I started going to the mall. I haven't been to the mall in years. And the mall has all these shoe stores there. There's at least four that I noticed, shoe stores. So I went in foot department. First I went to Macy's. They had one shoe. They didn't have a pair of shoes. They had nothing there you could try on at all. And so, I went in the back. I'm like, is anybody here? And the guy pops out of nowhere. And looks like it belongs to in a vampire movie or something. So I'm like, what, let's go to foot department. Let's get out of here. These guys are jokers, man. Mean. They look mean faces. So we went to the foot department, and but first let me say about Macy's, man. They had some Skechers there for $29. A really good deal, but they had nothing in stock, so you had to order online. And I needed them right there on the spot, because I'm wearing my winter boots, you know what I mean? So, because my sneakers fell apart, and from Payless. So I went to the foot department looking for some deals, and there was deals to be had. So they had Skechers. They had Skechers on sale. So I bought a pair of Skechers. I don't know, they were like $50. That 40, 46, $48 or something like that. So I bought a pair of Skechers. I know Skechers last a long time. And so actually I wanted to bring them back because it turned out I didn't like them. I wanted more of a sneaker. And they didn't have Skechers sneakers. Just like a Skechers winter boot, you know what I mean? Like a hiking boot shoe. So, and I didn't want it. I'm after sneakers where I can hustle. Light pair of sneakers so I can hustle. So, we got into a little argument. He goes, "Oh, you can't return those." So, I went back to return them. And he's like, "You can't, those are worn." And all I did was wear them. I ran through the backyard to the hiking trail. And because of the memory foam, my feet were slipping around in them. I said, these shoes suck. These are $20 shoes. You're trying to sell them for $59. And he goes, look, I could take them. You got to clean them. There was freaking a little bit of dust in the crevices. This guy should have just took them because I went in there. I bought a pair of Nikes. So anyway, I decided, instead of going back talking to that idiot, I'm just gonna keep them because I can wear them for the winter. So now I got winter shoes that are gonna last me at least 4 years, maybe more. And I'm gonna see how long these shoes last me. But and then on top of that, I got a pair of Nike sneakers, which are way more comfortable than these Skechers shoes or whatever they are. And I didn't know. I never bought Skechers before, guys. I was always buying cheap shoes. Walmart. From Walmart, I went to Kmart, and from Kmart, I went to Payless, and now I'm in the freaking mall on the foot department. So anyway, my point is, guys, I'm going to show you that video where I have the shoes. Anyways, guys, my point is, start checking out the mall for some deals. You're going to find some good deals, man. If I could pick up a pair of Nike's sneakers for $44, that's a deal, man. You could take those, put them on eBay for like 50 for. You make $10, or 60 for and make 20 bucks. So there's some deals to be had. And I mean, yeah, I know nobody likes the mall no more, but check out the mall. I think the mall is going to be your deal breaker, and because Walmart's not going to make deals with you. But you can go to your store and start making some deals at the mall, guys. Go check out your mall. They got deals going on. There's a lot of competition, especially if you need footwear. You got 4 or 5 shoe stores in there, and you're gonna find a good deal. I guarantee it. And start heading to your malls. The malls are gonna make a comeback, guys. It's gonna be huge. All right. These little retail stores, they're not making deals, guys. You go to a mall, you're gonna find a deal because there's more competition.